Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Corey from Corey's Tech Time, and today we're looking at the Sony WH-CH720Ns. So we're looking at these because I recently, and it was actually yesterday, I encountered my first issue with these headphones. So I want to say between 2 and 3 times these headphones just kind of reset on me and they disconnected from my phone for no reason in particular. It just decided to just disconnect, but it quickly connected back to my phone. So, and the phone that I'm using is the Pixel 7 Pro. So today we're going to just factory reset these to, hopefully that will resolve the issue. There has not been any sorts of updates for these headphones as of yet. So hopefully Sony gets around to it sooner rather than later. So in order to reset these, to factory reset these headphones, what you have to do is hold down the power button and the middle button here. That's the play/call button. So hold these down at the same time and we should get some sort of light indicator. After about 10 seconds, it should give us some sort of light indicator. Let's see. There it goes. And that's it. That's how you factory reset your Sony headphones. Now it should attempt to repair to your phone or the device of your choice. But before you do this, I do recommend that you forget these headphones from your device. So for me, I had removed it from my Pixel 7 Pro. So guys, that's it for this video. Questions, comments, feel free to leave those. And if you had any issues with these headphones and you was able to resolve it somehow, please share those tips. And with that, peace.